In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a Weebly website for SEO. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your Weebly site editor. When you've got that up, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your website's setup begins, so make sure you're ready to make some important adjustments. Now that you've clicked on the Settings tab, it's time to access the SEO toolbox. Look at the left sidebar options and select SEO. This section is crucial because it's where you can enhance your site's visibility on search engines. Once you're in the SEO section, you'll want to fill in your global metadata. This means customizing your overall site description. Think about what your website represents and try to express that in a clear and concise way. And don't forget about keywords. Add relevant keywords that best describe your content. Lastly, ensure that your general website title reflects the purpose of your business or blog. These elements help search engines understand the core theme of your entire site, so take your time to think it through. Next, let's move on to optimizing the SEO settings for individual pages. Head back to the top bar of your editor and click on Pages. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Click on the specific page that you wish to optimize, like your About page, Services, or Shop page. Choose one that you want to focus on for this SEO upgrade. Now, click to open that specific page, and in the page's side menu, you'll find the option for SEO settings. This is crucial because each page can have its own unique optimization strategy. You'll want to provide a unique title for that specific page and a custom description that clearly matches the content on that page. While you're tailoring this page metadata, think about the targeted keywords that potential visitors are likely to type into a search engine when looking for information that pertains to that page. This helps improve your chances of being found by your audience, which is the ultimate goal, right? Once you've customized the title and description, step back and review what you've done. It can sometimes be easy to overlook the small details, but they really can make a significant difference in how search engines perceive your website. Remember, SEO is not just a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly assessing and updating your metadata and keywords can help keep your website relevant and visible in search engine results. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can optimize your Weebly website for SEO efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more.